Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to be making some bone breaking sounds. So there are a lot of different props you can use to get a nice bone breaking sound. My personal favorite is going to be some celery. So again, just as we did yesterday, you always want to make sure to wear your headphones, and then you're going to have your shotgun microphone. Now I'm going to grab a piece of celery and we're going to snap away. Right, and then just get to have some fun, just kind of make some breaking sounds. All right, well that's it for today, and tomorrow we're going to be making some stabbing sounds.